Oh, nice.
Don't open him yet, okay? You got another one coming.
Got another one.
Whose birthday is it?
Mine.
How old are you, son?
6.
Yay!
For now.
The big, the big 06.
I don't even know what that one is.
Do you know what the other one is?
Yes.
What is it?
I'm not telling. Because the national here.
Because she's not supposed to.
Ooh, is that a maybe there's some toilet paper. The wipies?
No.
Okay,
Is it
Nathan,
bowling
open
ball?
one.
Bowling ball, here you go.
Bowling ball. I bet you anything.
Be quiet.
Whoa.
It's a
Wow.
big airplane. And guess
Whoa.
what? You get to make it with Daddy. Put it together with Daddy.
You want to put that together with Daddy?
Start small. Start small.
Nathan, you want to put that together with Daddy?
Daddy, is it Star Wars Lego? Yes,
Yeah.
it's Star Wars.
Who's that? Is that Darth Maul?
Yes, that's Darth Maul.
Everyone's
It's a
favorite.
Lamborghini. Oh, what a good
His
helper.
eyes is lighting up.
I don't know what the other one
Hey,
is.
congratulations, my love.
Happy birthday.
Oh, let's put it here. Let's see what else you got.
More Legos.
Big time muscle.
No. Is that a remote control car? Yeah. Ah,
And you know what? You get to
Big
put it
car.
together also. You got to put the engine and the wheels.
Ooh.
Nice, Nathan. I think making
Kids,
pretty things.
Wow.
can I drive it once it
Yay!
once-
Happy birthday,
open it?
love.
Daddy, I want to do this one too.
Okay, buddy, we'll do that first.
Happy birthday, Nathan.
You say,
Oh
buddy?
my God.
He's gonna get to work now.
Can I
Yeah.
use this one while you're doing it? Yeah.